we've got March retail sales as well next week.
We do.
On the 25th. Now, this is particularly interesting. This has got me scratching my head a bit because I was looking at January and February retail sales, and they've been very, very strong so far this year, 1.7% and 1% respectively, both well above expectations and completely at odds with an awful lot of the survey data that we've seen out for that month. I think a large part of that could be down to the fact that fuel prices have been falling at the pump, which has given consumers an awful lot more money to spend as a consequence of the lower fuel prices. But I also think there's an element that perhaps consumers have decided that, April is probably going to they're not going to have much money in April, so they might as well make hay while the sun shines, because they're not going to have much money after April. But, perhaps there's an element of that when it comes to the fact that we've seen a significant boost. The bigger question for me is whether March will follow on from the big boost, or whether suddenly consumers will go, right, that's it. I've had my splurge January, February. Now it's time to hunker down because I know my bills in April are going to go through the roof.